I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Hey guys, it's Elaine. Today I'm going to be doing some TikTok inspired DIYs, and I've been on TikTok an insane amount of time during quarantine. It's kind of bad. I think I might delete it, but I found some really cool DIYs and I want to try them. So that's what I'm gonna do today. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking this plain white hoodie. I just ordered this on Amazon. I think it's the Gildan Heavy Blend hoodie, but I just got it in a white color and I'm going to embroider on it. And I've been seeing a lot of people do the Nike embroidery with flowers and I thought that was so cool, so I'm gonna try that today and hopefully it works out. I have only embroidered once before, so this might be a challenge, but I will take you guys through the process. Alright, so the first thing I did was print out the Nike logo. I just eyeballed the sizing on the printing preview, but after I did that, I used the pen to poke holes around the swoosh so I can make an outline on the sweater. I used a pink pen, but I would recommend using something that you know will wash out. Next, I put the embroidery loop onto the hoodie. You put the bigger loop with the adjustable screw on the top of the fabric and make sure the design is in the center of the loop. And then you put the smaller loop underneath that layer of the hoodie. By doing this, the fabric will be tight and easier to embroider. For the flowers, I used YouTube videos to learn how to do different patterns, and I'll link them down below, but I did really simple designs because I'm not very experienced in embroidering. Also, I got all my embroidery tools and threads from a kit on Amazon that I will also link below. So just a little update on the Nike design. This is how it looks like. I finished doing the swoosh and I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I used like this mint green color and I think it just looks really cute. And I also really like the simplicity actually of just like having a couple flowers since I outlined the whole swoosh. So I think I'm just gonna add like a few more but keep it kind of minimal with the flowers. But I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. It looks really good and I think the colors look really nice together too. Hey guys, so I just want to share a couple of helpful tips that I found while doing this. And the first thing is to make sure that you cut off all the excess string at the end of your knot, because once you end up doing it, like you'll have so many strings in the back that they'll end up getting like tangled. And I found that like it can even get stuck like in the front too, like when you're embroidering, and then the string can get stuck like as you're coming up into the front. So just make sure that all your ends are clean by cutting off the string after the knot. And then another tip that I would suggest, especially if it's like your first time embroidering, is actually practicing beforehand on like a different piece of cloth. For me, like this is like my second time embroidering and I'm doing stitches that I haven't done before, or like not stitches but like patterns, and I had to redo like one of the flowers 3 times because it was like my first time trying it. So I would practice beforehand before actually doing it. And also along with that, I would kind of like plan out where you want your flowers. So maybe like drawing it on with a pencil. I also did not do that. I'm just like freehanding it right now, but I think the process would be a lot easier if you planned it out beforehand. Hey guys, so I finished the design and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I just filled it in with more flowers and then I decided it looked a little plain without the yellow center, so I went in and just added a bunch of yellow centers for the flowers. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it looks and I can't wait to try it on. So this is the final product. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I feel like all the colors just really go well together, and yeah, I just really wanted a white hoodie for a long time, so I'm glad I did this, and I really suggest it for anyone who is thinking about doing it. Just send it because honestly the end results look so cute. And I did really simple designs, like this is a super simple design, so if you're a beginner like me, this shouldn't be too bad, and it only took me like a couple hours. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it looks. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be bleach tie-dyeing my hoodie, and I've seen this a lot on TikTok as well. I've seen a lot of people tie-dyeing their hoodies and bleach dyeing their clothes, so I decided I would try that out. I have my old, super old olive green hoodie right here. I got this from the men's section at H&M in middle school, I think. But yeah, I've gotten a lot of wear out of this. I decided I would try to upcycle it a little bit. We're gonna see how this goes. I've never bleach dyed before, but I'll take you guys along with me. So the first thing I did was gather materials. I actually found rubber bands from the chopstick sets you get at delivery places, so it was super convenient. Next, I mixed a 1:1 ratio of bleach and water, and I know you're supposed to put it in a spray bottle, but I didn't have one, so I just put it in a bucket. I laid the hoodie outside on a plastic bag and I used a fork to swirl the hoodie. It was honestly kind of difficult, so when I put the rubber bands on, I just kind of improvised on scrunching the hoodie up. After I secured the rubber bands, I put gloves on, and these are literally the gloves you use to make kimchi, but they work. And then I just poured the bleach mixture onto the hoodie. I know it looks kind of ratchet with the bucket, but I found that this method actually works just fine. After that, you want to let your clothes soak up the bleach for 8 to 10 minutes. After that, I washed it out in cold water, and you want to wash it until the water runs clear, and then I put it in the washer and dryer. Alright guys, so the hoodie is finished and it actually looks so cool. I'm really happy with the results. It looks like this, and I had no idea like what color the bleach spots were gonna be, because I know if you dye different colors, like different color bleach spots will come out, but this one is like a rusty white color, and I'm not sure if it's white because I left the bleach in for too long maybe, but yeah. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I'm gonna try it on right now. So this is how the hoodie looks on, and I'm really happy with it. It actually looks so cute, and I'm actually debating if I want to crop it because I feel like that would look really cute too, so I am debating that. But I really like how the splatters turned out, and I just really like how it looks, so I'm really happy. And that was it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.